This is Dave Rexroth. I've got a forecast here for you, which is warming. However, there's a little iffiness tomorrow morning before the big warm-up gets started. 33 is our low overnight tonight, mostly cloudy skies, and there could be a little mixture toward morning coming in from the northwest. It is more likely, though, during the morning on Wednesday. So it looks like it's probably a mixture of rain and snow. At first, certainly looks like snow, and then changing over to mixing a few raindrops in. By the time it starts to wind down at noon, it's more rain than anything else. But you could see about a 40% chance. So it's not a certainty, but a pretty good bet, especially on the north side here, with some snow showers during the morning drive. Keep that in mind. Slow down just a little bit. Eventually, we get to 53. That's a nice little run after that kind of winterish feel in the morning. The southwest wind, a big part of that, 15 to 25, maybe a little bit more gusty than that in the afternoon. So that's Wednesday morning. Now this is Thursday morning. This is another surge of moisture with rain because it's about 10 degrees warmer Thursday morning compared to tomorrow morning. However, that goes pushing through, and then here comes some real moisture starting Friday. The flow from the south and southwest will be pretty brisk. That means more warmth and more moisture. So Friday is wet. Saturday is wet. This system just takes its time going across the southern Great Lakes here. Sunday is wet, and then as it starts to pull away, we'll probably start Monday with some rain showers. Could change back to some snow showers before it's all over. So the peak of the heat is Friday and Saturday in the mid-60s. Then you can see we drop off Sunday, drop off Monday. That's the coolest day of the next several here. But there's a little bounce back on Tuesday. So the next couple of mornings could be wet. Tomorrow a little sloppy perhaps, just a little bit. And then looks like the real rain comes in. Friday, Saturday, Sunday be easy to get a lot of areas around here. Almost all spots, as a matter of fact, up to an inch of rain. So that's quite a bit. So the spring showers finally get going with that warmth.